Got him. All right, so we went and gigged some flounder last night. I know we don't clean fish here at the house, but I didn't feel like going back down to the harbor. So I'm gonna show y'all how we do up some flounder for frying. I've already finished all these. I'm gonna scale this one real quick. And I got turned on to this a while back. It's a horse brush. And that is the best thing for scaling fish I have ever seen. So we're gonna knock this one out real quick. And that's it for that side. I already did the other side. So I'm gonna rinse these off and then I'll show y'all how I fillet them up. All right, so we'll show y'all how I fillet these up. I like my flounder fried with the skin on, so that's why I scale them and then fillet them out. My past few fish cleaning videos, everybody's always talking about my knife, how sharp it is, what kind of knife. So this is what it is. Dexter Santa Safe, 7-inch. Paid 30 bucks for it. I bought this one yesterday just because you can't never have too many knives. So this is a brand new knife, straight out of the pack just for this video. And this is how I fillet them up. It's pretty easy. Just make your cut there, come around behind the head, and then you just lay your knife flat on the backbone and run it straight on down that way. And you just pick this up and keep following the backbone. That's it. Then you flip it over, do the same thing, start your cut right there behind the head. And on this side, you start right there where the ribs are. And the white side's always the hardest. But get in, just run your knife down the backbone. Come out under the backbone on that side. And just flip it over and finished out just like that. Alright, so we're getting ready to fry up these flounder here. But pretty much what I did, each fillet, cut it down the middle long ways and then cut each one of those in half. So you get 8 pieces of fish off of one flounder. And for frying them in, got a 50-50 mix of yellow cornmeal and blue Zatarans, Louisiana fish fry, blue bag of fish fry. And coat our fillets with some old mustard. And once these get a good coat on them, we'll drop them in there, give them a good coat of fish fry, and then they'll go into the skillet. There we go. Drop them in at 350, 375 till they stop bubbling. And when they're done cooking, pull them on out, let them drain on some paper towel. Let them cool off and they'll be ready to eat.